Hello YouTubers, I am Parvez and this is our 7th video in Learn Django 2.1. In the previous video I have showed you how you can connect your Django application in MySQL database, and this is from the previous video. This is our settings for the Django, and also this is our database at name of Django, and these are the files that are added automatically by Django application. So in this video I want to show you how you can create Django models. So before this, what are Django models? In Django models you can add your database tables. Let me open my file. If you open your news app, we have a file at name of Models.py. If you open this, you can see that create your models in here. For example, this application or this website, I want to give two models for this. For example, the first model is class news, and it inherits from models.model. Okay, now this has some fields. The first one, for example, I want to give it an author, and models dot car field, or you can call it char field, and you can give it max length of 30. There are a lot of model type. For example, we have car field, we have text input field, we have date field. That in the next videos, in the later videos, I will show you all of them. So and the second one, for example, I want to give a title, so it is models dot, it should be car field, and the max length is 30, and the second one is description, so models dot this should be a text field. Okay, and it doesn't need any max length. Okay, now we have created our news model. Right now, if I check my database, let me open my phpMyAdmin. Right now I don't have this model in my database. So how you can add this database model to your database? So for this, I'm going to open my terminal window in PyCharm, and in here first I'm going to change the directory to my project. And after this, after creating models in your Django, first you need to make migrations, and after that you need to migrate that. Make migrations, create file for in our news, and it creates our database model in here, and migrate, add that database model to our MySQL database. So for this, first I'm going to Python manage.py. Let me make it bigger because make migrations like this. Okay, and hit enter. Now it will take a little time. No change detected. So if you see this, I think, let me just check. I think I haven't added this news app to my settings.py. So let me just check it. Yeah, when you're going to create an app, for example, in here I have created news app. So after that you need to add that app to your install apps. So like this. If you don't do this, you will not see any change to your database model. So news. And now if I let me open my models and my terminal, and now if I Python manage.py make migrations. Before this it was no change, but now you can see create model news for us. So if we check here, you can see we have another file, and if I open this and if I come in here, you can see we have a news model, it has ID. It is created default by Django. We have author, we have title, and we have description. Okay, now after this, right now also if I check my database, there will not be any news table in here. So for this I need to migrate that. Python manage.py migrate. Okay, now apply my migrations, and now if I check this, if I refresh this, you can see now I have a news, and if I open this, you can see I have another, it's ID, author, and title description. So now we have created this, and let me make another model in here. Open my PyCharm ID and open my models. So for example, I want to create another model that's called class sport news. It inherits from models.model, and we are going to add the same field for this. So I have created this and I have saved this. Now open your Django terminal, Python manage.py, make migrations. Now you can see create model sport news, and after this Python manage.py migrate. Yeah, now if I check my database, refresh my database, you will see that I have another database table at name of sport news with these fields. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos.